Hello, students. Welcome back. This is Class 7th Science, Chapter number 15 Light. In this video lecture number 5, we will be discussing all the NCERT textbook exercise questions. Let us start. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Students, while discussing the answers, in many of the questions you will find explanatory parts. You will not write the explanatory part in your notebook. These explanations are given for your better understanding of the questions. A. An image that cannot be obtained on a screen is called a virtual image. Explanation: a virtual image is an image formed when the outgoing rays from a point on an object always diverge. When the object kept near the mirror, the image formed is virtual image. B. Image formed by a convex mirror is always virtual and smaller in size. Explanation: as convex mirror diverge the rays coming from the object, it forms a virtual and a smaller image. C. An image formed by a plane mirror is always of same size as that of the object. D. An image which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image. E. An image formed by a concave lens cannot be obtained on a screen. Question number 2. Mark T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. A. We can obtain an enlarged and erect image by a convex mirror. The given statement is false. Explanation: a convex mirror diverges the light rays falling on it, so it forms virtual, erect, and diminished image. But convex mirror do not form enlarged images. B. A concave lens always forms a virtual image. The given statement is true. Explanation: concave mirror diverges the light rays falling on it, so it always forms a virtual and erect image. C. We can obtain a real, enlarged, and inverted image by a concave mirror. The given statement is true. Explanation: when an object is kept at focus, the image is formed at infinity and its size becomes very large than the object. It forms real and inverted image. But when the distance from focal length to mirror decreases, then also the image formed is larger than the object and virtual. It is also erect in nature. D. A real image cannot be obtained on a screen. The given statement is false. Explanation: a real image is an image that is located in the plane of convergence for the light rays that originate from a given object or source. If a screen is placed in the plane of a real image, the image will generally become visible on the screen. E. A concave mirror always forms a real image. The given statement is false. Explanation: a concave mirror forms real image only if an object is placed or kept away from the focus. As the object approaches towards the focus, the image formed is at infinity. When an object passes the focus and kept near the mirror, the image formed is virtual and larger than the object. Thus, concave mirror not forms a real image always. Question number 3. Match the items given in column 1 with one or more items of column 2. Students, if you look carefully, under column 1, we have 5 items. However, under column 2, we have 6 statements which are given. Be careful while matching them. Answer: if will match the items given in column 1 correctly with that of column 2, the correct answer will be A. A plane mirror is rightly matched with option 5. The image is erect and of the same size as the object. B. A convex mirror. It is rightly matched with two options, option number 2 and option number 6. Can form image of objects spread over a larger area. and the image is erect and smaller in size than the object. C. A convex lens. It is rightly matched with option 1, used as magnifying glass. D. A concave mirror. It is correctly matched with option 3, used by dentists to see enlarged image of teeth. E. A concave lens. It is rightly matched with option 4. The image is always inverted and magnified. Question number 4. State the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. Answer. When an object is placed in front of a plane mirror, then the image formed by it is virtual, erect, and of same size as that of the object. Also, the distance of the image from a plane mirror is same as that of the distance of that object from the plane mirror. The image also shows lateral inversion. For example, suppose if you stand in front of a plane mirror showing your right hand, then it seems that the image rises your left hand in the mirror. You don't seem to be smaller or larger in the image. The size of your image in the mirror is same and forms the image at same distance behind the mirror as you are standing in front of the mirror. Question number 5. Find out the letters of English alphabet or any other language known to you in which the image formed in a plane mirror appears exactly like the letter itself. Discuss your findings. Answer. The following are the letters of English alphabet in which the image formed in a plane mirror appears exactly the same as the letter. If we consider the uppercase letters, then they are alphabet A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, and X. And if we consider the lowercase letters, then alphabet C, I, L, M, O, U, V, W, and X. Explanation. By drawing a vertical line on the letters such that it divides the letters into two halves, and thus the left half part of a letter is a mirror image of the right half, and Similarly, the right half is the mirror image of the left half. So, it forms the mirror images of each other, and then the image of the whole letter would be exactly the same letter. Question number 6. What is a virtual image? Give one situation where a virtual image is formed. In optics, a virtual image is an image formed when the outgoing rays from a point on an object always diverge. The image appears to be located at the point of apparent divergence. A convex mirror, we know it as diverging mirror, and concave lens, we know it as diverging lens, always forms virtual images. But concave mirror and convex lens also form virtual images only when the object is placed near the mirror, that is, in between focus and the pole of mirror or lens. Question number 7. State two differences between a convex and concave lens. Students, here we are discussing and specifying five differences between convex and concave lens. However, you are free to choose any of the 2 points. Number 1, a convex lens is thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges, whereas a concave lens is thinner at the middle and thicker at the edges. Number 2, a concave lens converges the light rays or focuses the light rays, whereas a concave lens diverges the light rays. Number 3, it is also termed as converging lens, whereas concave lenses are also termed as diverging lens. Number 4, mostly convex lens forms the real image, but when any object is placed near to this lens, it forms virtual image, whereas concave lens always forms the virtual image. Point number 5. Convex lens is used as corrective lens for the myopia or long-sightedness, whereas concave lens is used as corrective lens for the hypermetropia or short-sightedness. The term myopia and hypermetropia are referring to the eye defects. Convex lens is shown in the given figure. Simultaneously, concave lens is also shown here. You can check how these two lenses are different in their appearance. Question number 8. Give one use each of a concave and a convex mirror. Answer. Let us first of all discuss some uses of concave mirror. Number 1. Concave mirrors are used by dentists to see an enlarged image of the teeth. Number 2. Concave mirrors are used as makeup or shaving mirrors to see enlarged view of the face. Moving further, let us now discuss some uses of convex mirrors. Number 1. Convex mirrors are used as a side view mirrors in vehicles as it increases the field of view. Number 2. Convex mirrors are used as streetlight reflectors as it spreads light over greater area. Question number 9. Which type of mirror can form a real image? Answer. Concave mirror can form a real image. Explanation. Concave mirror converges or focuses the light rays falling on it, so it forms real image. If an object is placed or kept away from the focus, it forms a real and inverted image. The image is formed on the same side of the object. As the object approaches towards the focus, the image forms at infinity. But when an object passes the focus and kept near the mirror, the image formed is virtual and larger than the object. But convex mirror cannot form real images. It forms virtual image as it diverges the light rays falling on it. Question number 10. Which type of lens forms always a virtual image? Answer. Concave lens always forms a virtual image. Explanation. As concave lens diverges the rays coming from the outwards of a point on an object, this is also termed as diverging lens. Thus, the image formed will be of same size as the object and image formed will be virtual image. But the size of the image depends on the distance of an object from concave lens. As the object's distance from lens decreases, the image distance will also decrease. Again, the size of the image will increase. Choose the correct option in questions 11 to 13. Question number 11. A virtual image larger than the object can be produced by option A, concave lens, option B, concave mirror, option C, convex mirror, option D, plane mirror. Answer option B, that is, a virtual image larger than the object can be produced by a concave mirror. Explanation: convex mirror and concave lens forms virtual images as they both diverge the rays coming from a point on an object, but they forms diminished images as compared to an object. Plane mirrors also forms a virtual image, but the size of the image is same as that of the object. Question number 12. David is observing his image in a plane mirror. The distance between the mirror and his image is 4 meters. If he moves 1 meter towards the mirror, the distance between David and his image will be option A 3 meter, option B 5 meter, option C 6 meter, option D 8 meter. Answer option C. The distance between David and his image will be 6 meter. Explanation: in plane mirrors, the distance of the image from the mirror is same as that the distance of an object from the mirror. Here, David observes his image in plane mirror as the distance between his image from the mirror is 4 meter. So, the distance between David from the mirror is also same, that is 4 meter. As per the question, if David moves distance of 1 meter towards the mirror, so his image will also move the same distance of 1 meter towards the mirror. Change in the distance of David from the mirror is equal to 4 meter minus 1 meter equal to 3 meter. Therefore, change in the distance of his image from the mirror is same, that is 3 meter. Hence, the total distance between David from his image will be reduced to twice. it is given by 3 meter plus 3 meter equal to 6 meter. Question number 13. The rear view mirror of a car is a plane mirror. A driver is reversing his car at a speed of 2 meter per second. The driver sees in his rear view mirror the image of a truck parked behind his car. The speed at which the image of the truck appears to approach the driver will be: option A, 1 meter per second; option B, 2 meter per second; option C, 4 meter per second; option D, 8 meter per second. Answer: option B is correct. The speed at which the image of the truck appears to approach the driver will be same as the speed of the car, that is 2 meter per second. Explanation: the driver sees the image of the truck in rear view mirror, which has plane mirror. As there is a variation of image of car to image to truck, the image of truck from the plane mirror will be same as that of a car. If there is a variation of the image of truck to the real truck, then net change in the difference in its distance would be reduced to twice. Suppose if a person is standing, say, at 10 feet from the mirror, then the image of the person will also be at the same distance, that is 10 feet from the mirror. If the person moves towards the mirror, say at 10 feet, the image will also moves towards the mirror at same distance, that is 7 feet, but moves in opposite direction to each other. The change in its object distance is 3 feet, and also the change in its image distance is same, that is 3 feet from the mirror. But it seems that when an object and image moves towards each other, the person from his image would be the combined effect, and it would reduce to twice. That's all for this video lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.